All right, welcome. So in this video, what we're going to do, we're going to go over the concept of how to find missing angles using trig. So it's very similar to what we did last time, but we're going to end up using an inverse function to find out our degree measurement, right? So right now, I see S is the angle measurement. I also see that I have adjacent and I have hypotenuse. So adjacent, hypotenuse will be co, and that will be cosine. So we will have cosine of x is equal to our ratio of adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent is 84, hypotenuse is 98. So now, here's what I'm saying about the inverse. What we're going to end up having is we're going to have cosine inverse of 84 over 98 equal to x. And what we're going to end up doing is we're just going to put this directly into our calculator. So we go to our calculator, we go to inverse, the INV, inverse. Now your inverse functions pop up. So I'm going to hit cosine inverse of 84 divided by 98, and it's going to give us an answer of 31. So I'll go back to my calculator, and I type in my answer of 31 degrees. All right. So again, as always, the breakdown that we have on the screen is what our answers are going to be. So it's going to explain it to us exactly like it did it. And I'll do one more so that we get a better understanding of it. Right. All right. So next problem. So right here, right now, it says solve for x round to the nearest tenth of a degree. Right. So again, we want to pay attention to the angle. Here we have angle I. Angle I is going to give us adjacent and hypotenuse. So we're doing cosine again. So we have cosine of x is equal to 45, which is adjacent, and 52, which is our hypotenuse. In order to do the degree measure, we're going to take the inverse of 45 and 52, and that is going to be our x. So again, we're going to go to our trusty and faithful calculator. We're going to do inverse cosine 45 divided by 52. That's going to give us an answer of 30.1. So now when they say round to the nearest tenth, we have to be accurate with that information. So we have 30.1 here, not 30. So we need 30.1. And this is how you find missing angles using trig. If you got any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know.